Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone out there. The better you become, the better you attract. It's all about how improving yourself can lead to attracting more success into your life. In this video, we will show you time-tested, actionable steps to help you become better and always be attracting abundance, success, and fulfillment into your life. Let's get started. Understanding personal growth's impact on attraction reveals a profound truth. Because as you evolve, your appeal deepens. By developing yourself, you increase your allure, drawing people who value growth and depth in relationships. So, as you continuously improve yourself, whether it be through acquiring new skills, honing existing talents, or cultivating positive traits like empathy and resilience, you will naturally draw in higher quality experiences, relationships, and opportunities. When you invest in your growth, you not only enhance your competence and confidence, but you also emit a magnetic energy that attracts like-minded individuals and favorable circumstances. This principle operates on multiple levels, from personal relationships to professional endeavors, and highlighting the universal truth that your external circumstances often mirror your internal state. Furthermore, the better you become, the better you attract, embodies the interconnectedness of your personal development and the law of attraction. By elevating yourself, you align your thoughts, actions, and intentions with your aspirations, thereby attracting experiences and opportunities that resonate with your evolving identity and goals. Attraction isn't just about physical appearance or surface charm, it's deeply rooted in psychological dynamics. Self-improvement fosters qualities like empathy, reliability, and passion, which are inherently attractive. These traits magnetize individuals who admire and aspire for similar values. Confidence plays a pivotal role in shaping your interactions and the opportunities you attract. When you have self-confidence, you not only appear more capable, but you also inspire trust and respect, making you more appealing in both personal and professional arenas. Further, confidence is more than just feeling good about yourself. It is a core factor in drawing better relationships and opportunities into your life. As your confidence increases, so does the likelihood of engaging in more meaningful and rewarding interactions. Enhancing your skills does more than just broaden your capabilities. It also expands your network. As you become more proficient, you naturally attract colleagues and mentors who can provide you with new opportunities and collaborations, furthering your professional growth. Enhancing your skills does not only boost your professional profile, but also opens doors to richer professional connections. These connections often lead to collaborative opportunities that can propel your career forward, creating a cycle of continuous growth and achievement. Positive thinking can transform how you perceive and react to your world, thereby influencing your social interactions. By maintaining a positive outlook, you will attract individuals who are similarly optimistic, enriching your personal and social lives with uplifting exchanges, thereby fostering environments that are conducive to happiness and mutual success. Cultivating self-love is essential in building a healthy self-image and attracting others who share similar values and interests. When you value yourself, it naturally radiates outward, inviting relationships that are supportive and enriching. Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in the depth and durability of relationships. Understanding and managing your emotions, as well as empathizing with others, helps in building connections that are not only stronger, but also more meaningful. Continuous learning and education not only broadens your knowledge base, but also opens doors to new opportunities. Engaging in ongoing education makes you more adaptable and appealing to potential employers or collaborators who value proactive thinkers. Networking is significantly enhanced by personal development. As you grow, you gain more confidence and skills, which make you a more engaging and valuable contact. This can lead to richer, more productive professional relationships and opportunities. Financial stability and responsibility are incredibly attractive traits in any partnership, be it personal or professional. By managing your finances wisely, you demonstrate reliability and foresight. These are qualities that attract secure and lasting successful connections. A commitment to physical health and fitness does more than improve your well-being. It also sets a foundation for attracting others who prioritize a healthy lifestyle. This shared value can lead you to more sustained and supportive relationships. Self-awareness is a powerful tool in attracting meaningful interactions. By understanding your strengths and weaknesses, you can navigate social situations more effectively, fostering deeper connections with those who appreciate their authentic selves. Goal setting is not just about achieving your personal aspirations. It also magnetically draws the necessary resources and people into your life. By setting clear goals, you communicate to others what you are striving for, thereby inviting collaboration and support from like-minded individuals. The influence of mentorship and coaching extends beyond simple guidance. These relationships can accelerate your personal development, opening doors for you to new networks and opportunities that might otherwise remain out of reach. Creativity and innovation are not just valuable in isolation. When you bring these qualities to team projects, they act as a beacon for others who value forward thinking and collaboration, naturally attracting opportunities for joint ventures to you. Resilience is a powerful trait that not only helps individuals overcome challenges, but also draws others towards them. Demonstrating the ability to persist and thrive through adversity shows potential partners and allies that you are reliable and strong. Self-discipline is highly regarded in both personal and professional spheres. When people observe your ability to maintain discipline, they are more likely to respect you and rely on you, enhancing your reputation and relationships. Authenticity is crucial in forming genuine connections. When you are true to yourself, you naturally attract people who appreciate and desire realness in relationships. This leads to deeper and more meaningful interactions that are built on trust. Kindness and compassion are not just moral values, but powerful tools in building relationships. When you exhibit these qualities, you naturally attract individuals who value emotional support, creating a network of caring and supportive friendships. Cultural awareness opens doors to a world of diverse experiences and perspectives. By embracing different cultures, you not only enrich your own life, but also attract those who appreciate and celebrate diversity, fostering more inclusive environments. In conclusion, continually striving to be the best version of yourself creates a life filled with rewarding relationships and opportunities. This journey of self-improvement not only enhances your life, but also attracts the best the world has to offer. So the better you become, the better you will attract success, abundance, and fulfillment into your life. Lastly, if you found this video useful, and I hope you did, please subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for more motivating videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.